Hello everyone, it's Gavin with TrueDoor Property Management again, here today to present to you 21315 Tupelo Lane in Lake Forest, California. Here's a little look at the surrounding community. It's very nice, very family friendly, very quiet as well and peaceful. We'll go ahead and take a look inside. This property is 2 beds, 2 baths at 1,000 square feet. It does have a 1-car garage included. So we'll go ahead and step inside here, which is going to be the entrance way, or the common area between the 2 apartments here. Your garage will be located on the left. We'll go ahead and take a look at that right now while we're down here. It is a 1-car garage, but there's lots of space for storage, as you can see, as there's the shelving, and as well there's a little workspace over here in case you like doing any handyman work in your garage. It's perfect for that. We'll go ahead and take a look upstairs at the condo itself. So again, that building door does lock for your safety and security. And then your door will be located on the left right here. So we'll go ahead and take a step inside to the property. As you walk in, you are greeted by the little entryway. It has nice tile flooring. There's also 2 closets near the entryway here. So any additional storage that you need or anything like that, however you would like to use it. Perfect. We'll start out by looking at the living room here. It has nice clean carpets. Nice and have a darker shade as well. Again, very spacious living room. Give you some other angles here. So you can also see it has a nice open layout into the kitchen and dining area, making it feel very spacious. So it's perfect for having any guest over or any family. We'll go ahead and take a look at the kitchen here. See, you have your wood cabinetry and your nice tile countertops. This property also does come with all appliances included. You have your nice microwave there, your stove and your oven, dishwasher, and your fridge. Give you some other angles here of the kitchen, looking in this way. So everything you need. And then you also have your nice flooring here, your vinyl flooring. Here's a nice little dining area if you want to put a little table and eat your meals. There's lots of windows at this property as well, providing lots of natural light. So look at the dining area. Go ahead and take a look at the patio while we're over here. So you have a nice little deck patio area in case you want to just enjoy the fresh air and get a nice breeze. Some other angles here. Perfect. We'll go ahead and take a look at the first bedroom here. So again, you have that nice clean carpet throughout the property, nice big window in here. Give you some other angles here. And you have the attached bathroom as well. It also has a very large closet, nice sliding door closet. Perfect for your whole wardrobe or any storage that you might need. We'll go ahead and take a look at the bathroom here. Again, you have nice countertop, nice big mirror, your wood cabinetry, and again, the nice flooring. And then the shower is going to be right here. You got your little sliding glass door. Also has a nice bathtub if you'd like to take your baths, and a nice tile backdrop. Perfect. And then we'll go ahead and check out the other bedroom and the bathroom. So walk back through the living room here. It'll be located on the left. Perfect. So here is the bathroom. As you can see, you have your shower, very similar to the other. A nice countertop, cabinetry, nice big mirror as well. Everything that you need and could ask for. And then we'll go ahead and check out the bedroom here. This bedroom has a very large closet as it goes all throughout the 4 sliding doors. You also have a nice big window here. Give you some other angles here and then we'll check out this closet. So again, very spacious, plenty of room. And then you have the closet here, which you can see it goes all the way down and connects down here. So you have your four sliding doors. So if you need closet space, this is definitely the place or bedroom for you. And I think that's gonna wrap it up for us here at 21315 Tupelo Lane in Lake Forest, California. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath at about 1,000 square feet. It is available for rent. If you would like to schedule a showing or submit an application, you can visit our website at www.truedoorpm.com. Okay, thank you, everybody.